Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on ZTE Blade A75. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll all the way down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter a lock screen pattern, and here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account, and your account should be removed. So let's open Google Play Store, for example, and click Sign in. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern again, and now enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and I have to click Next to recover it. And now enter password. Then click I agree. And click on More and Accept. And as you can see, my parental control is now bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.